Okay, here we go with a little Ecosuite demo. I'm going to jump into the Cheshire project and have a look at that. So here's sort of the dashboard view, all the high-level information. There's some start dates around the project, and also all the devices connected up against this project. We've also got a map of where things are located, which is useful. I'm just realizing you're not seeing that on the screen, but it does pop open when you do that. We've also got a left-right navigation swipe thing, which is a very easy way to jump between screens. If you click on one of these inverter devices, you get to see some information about what's going on at the moment. Voltage, frequency, current, power. The events for this project, there's no events currently. This is where you would log if there's any issues. Contact information, for asset management, phone number and email address, etc. That's project specific. Media, this is where you would upload photos and things like that. RFI, request for information. Again, there's nothing there at the moment, but this is what it looks like if you fill that in. So yeah, it's the basic functionality. Obviously, you can go in and do some sorting to find projects that you might be interested in. Have a look for some projects within the error state. And we'll see Fallen Waters one. Go in there, scroll across. Here we go, it's an inverter. We've just got some errors. That is clearly an issue. And then we've got another inverter here with some connectivity issues. You can see there's a few inverters with problems here. Lots of other inverters with good things going on. Yeah, so that's the basic navigation. So really useful if you're on site. You can see what's happening with the devices, see if there's any problems, see if you've fixed the problem, so it's updated in real time. And also if you've got nodes nearby, there's a Bluetooth comms feature. We can get real-time data off the nodes and interact with the node over Bluetooth, which is really useful. Obviously, information around settings, etc., controlling how things behave. You can give some feedback if you wish. Yeah, so this is a mobile app. Hopefully that's useful. Thanks for listening.